Hello! In this video, you will learn how to upload a video to Google Drive and share it with other people. Alright, first you need to log into your Google account, and there are two main methods to log in. You can either sign in on google.com. Once you are logged in, click on the dotted square box on the top right side of your window. Then from the menu, select the drive. And the second method is the direct method. Simply type drive.google.com once the page is open. From the top right side of the page, click on Go to Drive. Then fill out your Gmail account information. Click on Next. Then provide your password. You may be asked for a security code if you have set up two-factor authentication. Then you will land on the Google Drive interface. Now to upload a video, first click on this plus new button on the top left corner. Here you can choose File Upload from the drop-down menu. But it's always good to create a folder to manage the workflow or data you have on your drive. Let's create a folder as an example. Your new folder will appear right in front of the page. Open the folder by double-clicking it. Here you can use two methods of upload. First, you can simply drag and drop the video right here in the drive. And on the bottom right corner, you can see the progress of upload. Or, right-click anywhere within the folder and click on File Upload. And you will see the upload progress right here in the bottom. Now to share the video, right-click on the video you want to share. Click on Share, or you can click on Get Link. Let's click on Share. Here you will type the email address of a person you want to share with. Then you're done. Now let's click on Get Link here at the bottom, and you can see it's restricted. Click on it and choose anyone with the link, then copy the link and forward that link to anyone you want to share your video with. As a test, let's open a new incognito window and paste this link. Here you can see the video. By clicking this down arrow, you can even download it. So here you have it, guys. Step-by-step guide on how to upload a video and share it.